Anderson University, Manila. She is also the reigning Miss Filipino Queen of Dinagat 2024. Candidate number 20, Angel Jet Zaragoza Latoy. Number 20 is Angel Jet Zaragoza Latoy. The Dinagat Festival of Iloilo City traces the history of devotion to the Señor Santo Niño. The impressive choreography and costume depicts life in Panay before the Spanish colonization and the advent of Catholicism in the country. Candidate number 20, Angel Jet Zaragoza Latoy. Hello to you, Angel. Your question will come from Mr. Jojo Bragais.
Hello, candidate number 20. Sabi nila, basta Ilongga. Okay, so this is your question. What steps do you take to maintain your physical and mental health? Ano ang mga hakbang na ginagawa mo upang mapanatili ang iyong physical at mental na kalusugan?
As you guys know, we are all beauty queens right here. We have a stereotype that we have to follow. We must always look perfect, slim, healthy, and stuff like that. So what I do in order to keep those aspects healthy is to always train my mind that health comes inside out. One thing that I will always do is when I wake up, I will always thank God for another day being here, because it is a blessing. The second thing that I would do is, of course, say hi to my parents, just tell them you love them, because I always believe that life is too short. The third thing that I would do, of course, is to train my mind to disregard all the negative people around me. Thank you.